Right, hello once again YouTube, Andy with you with another video. Right, screenshot of my PC screen. This is the Hubsan Drone. This is what happens when you plug it in to get the files off of it. We're going to go to HBS Media, which is where the files are actually stored. Double click on that, and then opens up to pick thumbnail or video. Click on video. Right, so this is where the good stuff is. Kind of. The AA is the good stuff, the AB not so good. AA high resolution, AB low resolution. So whenever you put the drone up, it starts to film and it takes a low res and a high res of whatever you're filming. I then downloaded that to my edit suite and I was playing around, I think, with the AB files, the low resolution files. That was the reason why it looks so grainy and not very good. I should have been playing with the AA. This is probably my fault and not the fault with the drone. So what I'm going to do from now on is use the AA files and not the AB files. Anyway, enough of me, let's get into the video. Right, so I'm off out to meet one of my subscribers, Greg. Very kindly he invited me over to try and figure out what's wrong with my Hubsan drone. Is it the RC unit? Is it the mobile phone? Is it the drone itself? We're not sure, but I think we're going to go and have a go at trying to figure this one out. So I'm with Greg. Greg, like myself, is... Oh, here we go. Say hi. Hi. Greg lives not half a mile from where I am. Met Greg, I think maybe was it last year, Greg, I think, yeah, wasn't it? Yeah. In the forest. I was not long had my drone, my DJI at the time. God rest its soul. 14 again. Somewhere in Turkey in the Mediterranean Sea at the moment.
I am so sorry.
Anyway, so yeah, Greg has got a Hubsan, exactly the same as mine.
I'm gonna give you a damn good thrashing.
Greg has actually got his working very well. He's been showing me on his PC. The different files. There's AA files and there's AB files. I think I might have made a mistake on my edit suite because I didn't realise at the time that there was AA and AB. I might have uploaded an AB, which is like the lower resolution format. Silly me, but I've learnt something now. So yeah, anyway, Greg's about to take his drone off.
Well, I'm trying to work out how to turn the GPS off. Major murder on the lawn.
Someone's had a bit of a... That's the remains of a pigeon, I think.
Yes, there was a horrible noise yesterday morning. I think it was that. It's not picking up any satellites and I have no idea why. Oh, there we are. We're in the settings now. So, for instance, my video setting is... Gosh, this is slow. 4K 30 frames per second.
Right.
Video bit rate.
So you can then change the resolution down to 1080p.
This phone is quite slow, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really slow. Yeah.
Your finger works better. Mine won't. My finger doesn't work in McDonald's. I know that. There we are. We're on 1080.
1080p now.
So we could.
And then you can start to record.
And the camera settings equally you can do there, but only once it's in the air, which is really annoying. Yes. Well, let's press the video record button. It's doing very well in this wind. It normally,
wonderfully well.
It normally tells me it's unhappy. There we are. It's recording now.
Oh, right.
But I don't get this response on my phone. It's much quicker.
Right. Right, okay, so that was Greg's drone, Greg's RC unit and my phone. I think the weakest link was my phone because it wasn't responding, as well as Greg's. And the picture you can see there, you might just be able to make it out, it hasn't moved because the signal is just not getting through to the phone. Yeah, we think it's the phone. I think it's the phone. So yeah, it's the problem here is the phone. Well, I think we've achieved that. We've decided, I think, that the phone isn't very good.
Yes.
Which I kind of knew that anyway. Yeah, let's land it and
Yeah. Goodness me, it's struggling, isn't it?
It is a bit, yeah. we got a crashed app.
Yes.
Close app.
Right.
There we go. So we try this one here next. This is the phone which I use for my DJI when I had it.
Right.
Yeah.
This is the way I do it. But yeah, your way works as well. But I just press that button and. Are you sure to take off?
Yes.
Best Chinglish.
Oh.
And there he goes.
Okay. Well, that was.
Can we can take the picture? We took a picture. Oh no, it's this one's already on video by the
It's
look
on
of
video,
it.
right? What are we firing at?
Well, it should be still 1080, I would have thought.
You're right. So if you stop it from filming, then go into the settings.
Yeah, I'm just
You're doing the gimbal, are you?
playing with the gimbal.
It's quite slow, isn't it, for the gimbal to go up?
Yes, it is.
Is that typical? Can you speed that up at all?
Don't think so. I've
Because
never tried
that could
to.
be quite annoying.
Yes. Right. Do you want to go into the settings then?
Yeah, go into the settings.
This phone is quicker, noticeably quicker. So
Right.
on camera, oh, it's 720.
720.
I thought we set it at 1080.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, it's obviously
that's
changed,
weird.
isn't it? Right, we go to 1080. Right, yeah, that's a bit quicker, isn't it?
Yes.
It seems like Greg's RC unit is working better with my newer phone. Right, it's filming now.
Yeah.
And if we twiddle it around, we'll see if we're getting much lag.
Well, of course, you're not seeing what's getting recorded on the internal drive,
no.
are you?
Right, it's still lagging, isn't it?
It is, yes.
It's still slow. I don't know why that would be.
Yes.
Whether it's something like, what if I was to take the DJI app off of there and make a bit more space, maybe? Yeah, this app, I think it might need more processing power than the DJI. I'm running the DJI on here with no problems whatsoever, but this Hubsan app is really struggling with my phone. Not sure why. I was just wondering whether I ought to delete some files to make some more space, you know, so the app can run maybe freer. But there's a definite problem. The link between what the drone's doing and what you're seeing is at least about a second, and that's just not good. There we go. Right, what we're going to do now, we're going to try my drone with it, and then Greg's controller.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Sorting its gimbal out.
So it's my drone, my phone, your RC unit.
Yes.
Right, let's go outside and we'll give it a go. No satellites yet.
There's nothing on the screen either of the controller.
Not looking very good, is it? Does it mean that that RC unit is only paired with your drone, do you think?
Maybe. I wouldn't have thought so, but it's beginning to look a bit like that, isn't it?
Okay. Let's go and grab my RC unit then. We'll try my RC unit.
Right.
With
Shall we leave it there for a moment?
yeah, leave it there for now. Okay. Right, so Greg's RC unit will not pick up the signal from my drone. Kind of interesting, I suppose, in a way, in a sense. So we decided to ditch that and to go and grab my RC unit and see how we got on with that. Just want to hold on to that. There we go. You could be cameraman for a while.
Does it insist on a gyro calibration?
No.
No obstacle avoiding.
Well, that I'm surprised by.
The home point has been updated. Please be mindful of the new return time.
I think it looks more stable than mine.
Okay.
Well, it's a newer model, although mine's had so many firmware updates.
Very glitchy though.
Still quite jerky there, isn't it?
Yeah.
On the on the phone.
Yeah, it's filming now. Mess with the gimbal. Seems to be it's not as quick as reacting as the DJI.
Yes.
Right, let's stop filming. We go into the settings. 4K. We're on 4K there. Let's change it to 1080p, which is what I normally film in anyway. Right, so we're now filming 1080p.
Oh, you're brave.
Yeah, it's very slow, isn't it? Reacting though. What's the problem?
There are speed settings on this.
Oh,
I don't
okay.
know what speed setting you got it set at. There's sort of a sports mode and a video mode.
Okay.
That seems to be working very well.
It seems to be working better now, but it wasn't like it a while ago.
You've got 16 satellites there.
Yeah.
Gosh, mine would be complaining about the winds now.
High winds. Please fly with caution.
High wind. Right, so it's made a world of difference changing the phone over. A newer phone, a more powerful phone has made a huge amount of difference there. I think you might even be better on the iPhone. There's still a bit of a lag between when you turn the drone around and it's not showing instantly on your heads up on your phone, which is what you need. I think that's really important, but nevertheless it's a great improvement on what I had before. So yeah, I think I'll just I'll keep going with this one for now. Okay, that was good. There we go.
No idea what I took on that, Andy.
No, that's okay. I'll make some of it. Don't worry. Yeah. So yeah. Big thanks to Greg there. We think we finally I think we finally got to the bottom of it. We think it's probably the phone rather than the anything else really. But I'll be interested to see what the iPhone's like.
Yes.
My son's girlfriend's iPhone, because hopefully she'll be coming round with it at some point, either today or tomorrow. Then I can try that.
And I thought I read on blogs that people were having more success with an Android than an iPhone.
Right. Oh, really?
But the age of the phone must make a difference.
I think so. Yeah. Anyway, okay.
Well,
Anyway, Greg, thanks for your help, sir.
You're most welcome. That was fun.
Yes.
We both learned something.
Well, I think we sorted something out there. I think I'll probably need to get myself perhaps a newer phone, or certainly get a load of rubbish off my phone to make more space, perhaps.
Yeah.
And that might be something to do with it.
Well, as you said, try it with the iPhone.
Yeah, I try it with the iPhone, so that'd be my next port of call, I think.
Yes.
But I'm just a bit worried about the lag. Is my
Yes.
biggest problem. Is having a lag between
Yes.
what the drone is picking up and what you're seeing on your app. If there's a second or a 2 second lag there, or it just freezes momentarily, that could be the time when you run it into a tree.
Yes.
Of course, you've got obstacle avoidance, which is a great thing to have, isn't it?
Yeah, except for I tend not to use it.
Especially for me, anyway. The
Yes.
places where I take it sometimes, but
Yes.
then again, I like to be a bit risque. I like to turn it off and then just like go through a 5-bar gate or something.
Well, this is about my 4th or 5th drone. Some of my earlier ones, I think I've climbed most of the trees in
Stanton Wood.
Stratton Woods, yeah, to retrieve my drone.
Oh, really? Yeah, I've done that. I've had to do that once at Uffington Castle some time ago, where I was flying it there and it ran into a tree. Anyway, there we go. Yes, there we go. So there we go. What else can we say which makes sense? I think the DJI probably has got the edge.
Yes,
For me,
I do agree.
I've got more confidence in it. It's less glitchy. You found glitches?
Oh yes,
Yeah.
and DJI is a far more polished product.
Yeah, I
No
think
doubt
so.
about it.
Yeah, no doubt.
But it does most things, this drone.
Yeah, but I can't warrant at the moment spending £800 or £900 on a DJI.
Yes.
So I think I'm just going to go with this at the moment.
Yes.
I think I'll try the new phone, the iPhone, as and when I get it. That'll be an upcoming video, that one. And I think if I can get somewhere near DJI-ish footage with this and the iPhone, I'll carry on with that for a while until perhaps I either crash and this one burns, then I'll be forced to get another drone.
Or it falls in the water.
Or it falls in the water somewhere, yeah, but hope that won't happen because I'll be flying it more with the obstacle avoidance on it, and it works really well actually, doesn't
Yes,
it?
it does.
Yeah, I found it does work really, really well. Anyway, Greg, thanks for your hospitality today.
It's good to see you.
And
Look forward to the video.
yeah, and yeah, I think we both learned something, and I'll shake your hand.
There you go. True.
Anyway, Greg. Okay, so that was a good afternoon spent there with Greg. I think we come to the conclusion that the mobile phone does seem to be the problem. I think this app, the Hubsan app, it needs a lot of processing power. I just don't think that my mobile phone at the moment has got that in it. So big thanks to Greg for that one. Then moving on, using the edit suite, I've got to be careful not to do not use AB files. Hubsan do it slightly differently with the internal drive. With the DJI, the lower resolution files are stored on the Fly app and the good stuff is on the SD card. Obviously Hubsan do something different. And I just want to show you now with the drone, the Hubsan flying around these Surrey Hills, which I took the footage a week or so ago. You'll see a massive difference between the two. So the AA files are the ones which I need to use. Anyway, just want to say thanks for watching. Take care, and if you'd like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel, and also hit the notification bell there for any more uploads which I do in the future. Well, thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, and bye for now.